Hi guys, welcome to the hot seat. Now guys, in this video we are discussing the best dresser and the worst dresser of Ushaka Lembe. Now you know that on this past weekend they were promoting Shaka Lembe and your most favorite celebrities were invited. Listen, let's open up with Unomzamo Mbata. She ate, she ate. Love this dress. Love the detailing in the dress. You all look how gorgeous she looks. The hairstyle, what do you even mean? Nomzamo Mbata ate. She ate and she was my most favorite dresser of the night. I gotta say this, that like everything is flawless. The skin is skinning, the hairstyle, the dress, you name it. She looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, now guys, and then there's this picture here where she is with our king, Mrs. Zulu. What do you all think they are talking about? Look, the respect that Nomzamo Mbata is giving to King Mrs. Zulu, because guys, you cannot uyimele inkosi, you cannot ume ukhuluma nenkosi. You have to bow down and show some respect. And I love the fact that Nomzamo Mbata here is actually bowing down and showing respect to our king Mrs. Zulu. And I love the fact that on the launch of Ushaka Mrs. Zulu Kazwilithini was invited, guys. Nomzamo Mbata 8. Up next, we have Zozi, our former Miss Universe. Lalela, she ate. She ate with this look. I don't know, it's a bit of white, black. The hairstyle, she ate. She hates with the hairstyle. I love the fact that her dress is like flattering and it's beautiful. I really love the dress. I mean, I'm not sure if she like eight for the theme, but the dress is flattering, and I feel like that gotta count for something. And she looks really beautiful. It looks like the dress was really made for her, for Zozi. She owns it. The hairstyle and the dress, everything that she's wearing, it coordinates beautiful. So really, she ate, guys. She is a 10 on this dress. And like I said, I'm not sure whether it was appropriate for the theme or not, but the dress was flattering, so she ate. Up next, we have Nelly Sibia. Very disappointed. I'm not sure if she was trying to stick to the theme, but no, I am so sorry, guys. Nelly Siwe did not do it for me. I love the thing in her head. Looks like a Zulu head, which we call is tolo, kinda. But no, did she eat for me? Absolutely not. She did not. She missed. Okay, she did not eat for me. I am sorry. Up next, we have KB. Oh, KB ate. Oh, she ate. Okay. It's have a bit of Tswana fabric. She looks really beautiful. Love the head thing. Love the dress. Very much flattering in her body as well. She ate. Okay. And up next, we have Bongo and his wife. Damn, they ate, okay? They both look beautiful. Honestly, I was trying to avoid. I thought I'm gonna do the guys as well. Oh, the guys looks beautiful. I've seen some of the pictures of the guys, but then I don't want to. I'm sorry, guys. I do not want to. But the picture that really I could find of Bongo and his wife, and I was just like, let me just put these two together. I love the wife's dress. I love the detailing down below. Love everything. Love Bongo's suits, and I love the leopard print on the suits as well. They ate, okay? They ate. They ate, okay? They understood the assignment and they did what needed to be done. Up next, we have Ulasi. Oh, Sana, Ulachongo with this Xhosa dress. Listen, she ate. And listen, this dress is very simple. Very simple. It's just a Xhosa print. It looks very beautiful, very fetishes. And it's sitting, guys, ihleli ingubo kumnikazi. She ate, and sometimes, the fact that Lachongo looks this beautiful, it just shows ukuthi sometimes you don't have to break the bank. The bank mustn't be broken, okay, to look so beautiful. The designer understood exactly what Lachongo was looking for. Guys, Lachongo for me, Ulasi, 8. 8. Now up next we have Jojo and Bube. You cannot hate on Jojo and Bube. Like, it's impossible. I mean, guys, Jojo, yeah, akazi noma mele ngithi ngiyaxolela because umlungu or what. But yeah, baby girl decided to wear a whole jumpsuit. It is a leopard jumpsuit. It's a leopard print. But hayi ngeke Jojo, ngeke, like, honestly, on a launch where you're supposed to dress up, you decided to wear a jumpsuit with a beautiful coat. It's like it's a featherish coat. I'm not sure, guys. Like, Jojo, no. And in a way, because like, maybe at some point she was so confused and she didn't know what she was gonna wear for the events, and she was like, okay, maybe I should go for something that have like a leopard print. And I don't know, she could have maybe designed a dress that have a leopard print rather. Jojo just checked what was in her wardrobe. That's what it's giving. It's giving. Baby girl was like, what do I have in my wardrobe? Oh, I have this leopard jumpsuits. Definitely, that's what I'm gonna wear. And I ngeke Jojo. Oh, hey, that was a miss. I ngeke, sorry. Up next, we have Ulondi London, uMaZulu, uMageba. Waze wangidisappointa, guys, Ulondi. Guys, out of all the pictures of the ladies that I've seen, Ulondi is definitely the worst dresser. Ngimkhonzile uLondi, like ngimkhonzile. I like Londi London. I have to say this. I love her. Like, she's such a lovable person. I don't even understand why people have a problem with Londi London. Like, I don't. I love her. But on this event, she missed. She missed. She was honestly the worst dresser that I've seen. I don't know what she's wearing. Like, she's wearing a white skate and she's wearing a crop top. And she have put a bit of Zulu beads, to decorate the attire. And she's wearing something over the attire, which I don't know what it looks like, but it's huge, it's big. This body did nothing for her, okay? Not this body, child. This attire did nothing for her body. Like, it looks bad. Like, it's bad. It looks like it's something that she just had to come up with in the last minutes. It's like Ulondi London never got an invite like 2 weeks ago, so that she can go to her designer to design a dress for her, so that she can come to this event. Baby girl looks horrible. The attire did nothing for her body, didn't do her justice. She just looked horrible. She looked horrible. Not to mention that she was also wearing a whole crop top, like something that was kind of bit cropped. You had to be my worst dresser that I've seen, and I'm so disappointed in her. Probably she got the invites late, she had to come up, she had to work with what she got. She looked bad. No, Bandla Londi, that was a missed. Sorry, Kesan. Anyway, guys, so those were the red carpets. Please comment down below and tell me who was your favorite dresser of the night. I will definitely see you on the next one when I'm bringing you more.